challenge yourself to become a better photographer in 30 days. Challenge number 1, black and white photography. Remember, black and white photography is the origins of all photography today. So it brings you back down to the basic principles of what is the established foundation of photography. The image, the highlights, the shadows, things like that, just the basic forms of things can be explored in black and white photography. So just be careful. Don't just go shooting all around town black and whites, but try to find something that you can focus in on. With black and white photography, you can strip off the distractions of color. Oftentimes people will see a black and white photo and it gets immediate recognition as an artistic piece. For example, go to your local park and find a bench there. Now, a bench we know stands in the park for days and weeks and years. Try to capture that time capsule, you might say. Try to catch the weathering that is in the wood of that park bench. Or if it's made out of concrete, get the rough texture and maybe how it's been worn away through the years with the rain and weather. So focus again mostly on the shadows, the highlights, and the form of your model. And in that way, you'll be able to develop a photographer's eye. And then later on, as you develop as a photographer, you can use and introduce colors and lights and things like that. Again, to get that, you may not be able to originally take the photo in black and white. You may have to apply a monochromatic black and white filter, much like the one you see here. Or if you want to get the classic original black and white, you can use the silver tone filter, and that will give you that original feel of how photography started out. As you move along through the 30-day challenge, we will have specific overlays on our post and our challenges to let you know that this particular challenge is well suited for black and white photos. So you can intermix the black and white challenge throughout the 30 days.